This is David Ashling of AshlIng Driving School. I'm going to show you one of the manoeuvres. This is the reverse parallel park on the main road. This time with a real car between us and the road behind us. So when the driving test there will be an imaginary car behind you, just the car in front as a target vehicle. In real life you need to be able to reverse between two cars. So I'm going to do that manoeuvre now. We've parked up at the side of the road. There is a black car in front of us, but that isn't the vehicle we're going to use for the parallel park. We're looking for one with a gap between two cars. And we can see one coming up. Now the gap between two cars needs to be at least 1.5 car lengths. So the one we've just passed, that is too small a gap to be able to get in. I'm looking for a slightly larger gap. And we've got one coming up here between the grey car and the Ford dark blue. So I'm going to check behind me, slow the car down, get to a metre distance between the car on the left and myself, stop the car with the door handle level with the back of the car, the Ford that's dark blue. Into reverse gear, but I'm looking behind, making sure there's no one directly behind us. Check the right blind spot, work your eyes all the way around the car and look out the back window. I want to reverse the car until the front of the car that we've got beside us is level with the middle of the door of the triangular window on the left hand side of the rear. That's where it is now. I need to check around again, particularly the right blind spot on the head, because I'm now going to swing the car after turning one full turn of the wheel to the left. Get my thumbs back on the notches, I know that's where it is. And slowly and very smoothly bring the car around the corner, making me checking the right blind spot for anybody coming up the road behind me. I want to get the car positioned such that the headlamp I'm using as the corner of this car is level with the middle of the door, which is where it is now. At that point the car is around about 45 degrees to the curbs on the other side. I'm checking around to make sure it's safe, and then slowly and smoothly with the foot gently on the brake to keep the car slow, move the car to full right lock and really parallel to the curb behind us. You've now missed the front corner of the car, so all the dangers are behind you. I can now see the pavement coming around behind me, and I can see the grey car that is directly on the door. So I'm now going to use the grey car behind me and the blue car in front to guide me as to where the curb would be. I can now see it in the left-hand door mirror, and I can see that there's about a foot gap between me and the curb. So I've got space behind me to the grey car. Steer the car slowly and smoothly back towards the curb. Checking the door mirror to see it, I can't see it behind me. Straighten the wheels back up. And I'm now in parallel position. I'm going to use the distance in front of me to the blue car to get the car a little bit closer to the curb. And then straighten the wheels back up.